Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to easily sign out or log out from your Bitget Wallet application using mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Bitget application from your app drawer. Once you open the application and you are inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located at the top left hand corner. Now from your profile page, scroll all the way down to the end of the screen. Then tap on the log out button and confirm the action by tapping on confirm. Remember that you will need to enter your email or your phone number followed by your account's password. So make sure you remember those before signing out of your account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.